हेलो गाइस, कैसे हैं आप लोग? आई होप यू ऑल आर डूइंग ग्रेट. सो दिस इज़ द सेकेंड पार्ट in the video series of religious and tourist places of Madhya Pradesh, which is an important topic for prelims examination. So today we are going to discuss about Gwalior. Without wasting much time, let's get into it. Gwalior. So Gwalior is known as pearl amongst fortress in India. Okay. सो PSC ऐसे टाइप के क्वेश्चन पूछता है जिसमें वो आपको इनडायरेक्टली पूछता है कि किस चीज़ का नाम है या किस सिटी से एसोसिएटेड है. सो डू रिमेंबर दैट ग्वालियर फोर्ट इज़ ऑल्सो नोन एज पर्ल अमंगस्ट फोर्ट्रेस इन इंडिया. ओके, नाउ प्लेसेस ऑफ इंटरेस्ट इन ग्वालियर आर, फर्स्ट वन इज बटेश्वर टेम्पल. ओके, in this temple 200 mini grandeurs of Shiva and Vishnu are situated. Okay, do keep this in mind. Second fact is Gopanchal Parvat. Some, as we all know, that Gopanchal was the earlier name of Gwalior. And now let's look into it. That Gopachal rock cut statues of Jain Tirthankar are situated here, and largest idol of Parshavnath is located in Gopachal Parvat. Okay, so do keep this in mind. It is the largest statue in the world, cut from a single stone. Moving ahead, Gujri Mahal, we all have heard of it. It was built by famous Raja Man Singh for his wife Mrignani. Okay, PSC कई बार पूछ चुका है, so do keep this fact in mind. Next is ग्वालियर फोर्ट. ये तो बताने की ज़रूरत नहीं, नाम से ही पता चल रहा है, but we have to see who built the Gwalior fort. Okay, so there are some disputes. Some people claim that it was built by Badal Dev, other claim that it was built by Surat Sen. Most probably you should go by Surat Sen, Metauli. Okay, so ये वाला क्वेश्चन तो इस बार UPSC में भी पूछा था कि इंडियन पार्लियामेंट बिल्डिंग इज इंस्पायर्ड बाय विच स्ट्रक्चर. सो द आंसर वॉज मिताउली. दिस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्ट, और प्रीलिम्स में इस बार पूछ भी सकता है MPPSC, बिकॉज UPSC has asked this question in this year prelims examination. Another temple or site which is located, it is Padavali. Okay, now Sarodghar. So it is home of Ustad Hafiz Ali. This is not as relevant, but you can keep it in mind. Another thing which is located in Gwalior is Abul Fazl tomb is located in Gwalior. Sun Temple, Tansen tomb, and Tigra Dam. Okay, so these were few important things which I have compiled over 2 to 3 books as well as internet, and which are important with respect to prelims examination. Now some bonus point which I am going to tell you orally, that is Gwalior is also famous for Bhattu Bai dolls. Okay, so do keep this in mind that it is also famous for Bhattu Bai dolls, and this is also an important question with respect to art of MP. So Bhattu Bai dolls, it is famously made in Gwalior, and oldest evidence of zero have also been found in Gwalior. Okay, it was in Bakshali manuscript and it was written in Gwalior fort. It is mostly with UPSC exam perspective, क्योंकि PSC इतना डीप में पूछ नहीं सकता, but oldest evidence of zero was found in Gwalior fort. Okay, and it was written in Bakshali manuscript. And Teli ka Mandir, one another important temple, it is situated in Gwalior and it is of southern style. Okay, so do keep this in mind. So these were few facts considering Gwalior. I hope you liked this short video, and if you did, make sure to like the video. It really gives me motivation to make such videos, and please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you.